Hello students, my name is Mohit Mittal and you are watching your own channel Chemistry on Fingertips. Now this is a question which is asked in JEE Advanced 2022. It means a recently asked question. So let us try this question. This question is a match the column based question and there are four options given to us. We have to select the best one. Okay, so let's start with the first case. I think we have to solve each and every case. So we'll start with the first case. But the first case is Cr CN6 4 negative. So from here, first of all, we need to find out the oxidation state. So the oxidation state of chromium is +2 here. So chromium +2 will have configuration. Can I say chromium +2 will have D4 configuration? And since it is a 6 ligand complex, uh, so it will have this kind of splitting in it. And CN is a strong field ligand, so it will promote pairing. Okay. So this is the electronic configuration. So now let's find out the best options for it. This is T2G and this is Ag. So first option, T2G orbitals contain 4 electrons. So I think this is the right option. So P is right option for this. Magnetic moment is 4.9 Bohr magneton. See, magnetic moment over here is due to 2 unpaired electron. So it is never going to be 4.9. It is almost going to be, since it is 2 root 2, root 8, right? Which is almost 2.8. So Q is not the right answer. Low spin complex, yes, it is true that it is a low spin complex because it is promoting pairing, right? Metallining plus for oxidation state, that is not true. And D4 species, yes, this is right. So right answer would be TRT. I think no option is matching this, so we have to select the best one. Okay, so we'll see the second compound now. In the second compound, we are given a ruthenium compound, and the atomic number of ruthenium is also given to us. It is 44. So it is just below iron. You can see that differences of 18 electrons. So it is just below iron. So, and the oxidation state of ruthenium over here is +4. So the D configuration, the ruthenium +4 will have configuration. Can I say D4 configuration? Because iron has, if I write down the valence shell configuration of iron, it is 3D64S2. So after 4 electrons, it will become, yes, D4, absolutely, because it will lose 4 electrons by losing 2 electrons from S and 2 from D. Okay, actually, it has D4 configuration. And as you all know, that for the elements that are belonging to 3D, except 3D, it means 4D, 5D, 6D series element, all ligands act as a strong field ligand. So over here also, even chloride ion for ruthenium ion will act as a strong field ligand. So if it acts as a strong field ligand, so can I say it will have the same configuration as we discussed just in the previous case, you know, T2G4. So let's now find out the right options. So for this, T2G orbitals contain 4 electrons. It is absolutely fine. Magnetic moment 4.9, no, that is not the right answer. Low spin complex, yes, it is right. Okay, metallining plus for oxidation state, that is also true for this. And D4 species, that is also true for this, right? So these are the right options for second one. Okay, now let's move to the third one. Otherwise, we can also check where the wrong option is given to us. So as you can see, first Q can never be the right answer. So this is not, we can eliminate this option. And for second one, again Q is not the right option. So it is not given in any option. Let's move to the third one. But the third compound given to us is CrH2O 6 2 plus. Again, the chromium is in +2 oxidation state. So I can say the electronic configuration of chromium is +2 is D4, right? But over here now, it is a weak field ligand attached to it. So since it is a weak field ligand attached to it, so configuration would be something like this. Okay, so now T2G is no longer carrying 4 electrons, so P is not the right answer. Magnetic moment is due to 4 electrons. As you can see, there are 4 unpaired electrons, so that will be 4.9. Absolutely fine. Q will be the right answer for this. P is never going to be the right answer for this, right? So Q, acha, is it a low spin complex? No, it is not a low spin complex because it is not promoting pairing. Okay, so R is never the right answer for this. Metal ion is in +4 oxidation state. S is also not the right option. D4 species, yes, that is right. So Q and T is the right option. So we can eliminate the no options now. So P is not the answer for this. Yes, so B can be eliminated. R is not the answer for third. Yes, C can be eliminated. So can you see the best option for this is option A. So the right answer for this question is option A. So I hope you understand how do we approach such kind of questions. We need to keep on eliminating options while we are in the exam. Uh, since our main motive is to solve the exam. So for clearing the exam, for cracking this exam, you must always be on your toes. So the moment you start solving question, you start eliminating the options. So by eliminating, you will get the answer quickly. Otherwise, you have to try for fourth one also. Okay. So that is all for this. Thank you, everyone. I hope you understand. And if you understand everything, please like this video and subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.